Hi everyone, so good evening. This is Walking Lady and Amidon, and right now we are here at the Nopara Tara Beach. So as you can see guys, the ocean is in front of us, and that is the beach. Okay, so we are just going to walk back to Onang Beach, and then we will watch the sunset there later.
Yep, so on our left we have the Onang Landmark Night Market, which is right there, and we have a separate video on that. So we walked along the beach road on our way back here, and right now we are just walking along the store side. So you're going to see lots of stores, people walking, having a good time.
And we just had ice cream. Yeah.
And yeah, we just had a mango and Kit Kat
Kit
ice
Kat.
cream.
Yeah. So we were so hot that because we had a long walk from Onang to here,
Yeah.
and after the walk we ate ice cream to cool down.
Yeah.
So now we're feeling so good because now we're feeling cool, like cold, not too hot anymore.
Yeah.
So what time is it? Just us.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay.
So you're going to see lots of restaurants along the way and people walking on the beach.
So earlier we walked on the beach side, okay? So that's why right now we are walking on this side. Yeah, the
Yeah.
more stores here on this side. More stores and more hotel.
So this is
And restaurant. Yeah.
yeah, this is Krabi, Thailand's coastal town, and this is a hot tourist spot. So most of the people you see are actually tourists here. And we are surprised to see that everything is so clean, right? The streets and everywhere it's very clean. So it looks like this is a hotel.
Looks like
What is it?
Resort.
Oh,
Resort.
it's a resort. Risuka Sant Resort.
ถือถ่ายน้ำพุด้วย
and it has 3 floors.
Oh yeah, people.
เอ็นเล่ไปตัวใต้รถเอ็นเล่ไปนะ
So on our right side, there are more like a seafood restaurant
Yeah. They have a nice view of the ocean.
and nice view also. So when you are eating in these restaurants, you are facing the ocean, and you are enjoying the view while you're having your meal. All seasons best beach resort. So all seasons, rain,
Yeah.
summer, yeah.
I can hear the crickets.
Because so many trees here.
Yeah.
They are living in the trees.
Yeah.
So the beer here is 100 baht.
100 baht.
Yeah, per
100 baht beer, which is about $4
$4.
Canadian. Okay, wait, I have to drop off a garbage piece. So I found the garbage here.
Where? Okay.
And
Yeah, it's actually clean here,
yeah.
So we don't want to. Oh, this is the one I'm talking about. Another seafood restaurant.
Oh,
This is what is the name of this again?
I don't see any name.
Wang Sai.
Oh, this is the Wang Sai?
Yeah, Wang Sai seafood restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah. And there is 7-Eleven here.
So 7-Eleven actually every block, probably every block has one. Too many 7-Elevens.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you have to go ahead.
Okay. It says here tsunami hazard zone.
Oh, okay. So they have a separate kind of thing for the storm. And I think we have to switch over to that pathway
Yeah, here.
on the left.
Look, there is no water here.
Oh, I think it's low tide.
Low tide.
So you can see that water receded. I think the wind died down, right? I don't feel any wind now.
Yeah, there's
But
no
when,
wind.
When we were coming back, there's a strong wind. So all of a sudden, wind is gone.
Yeah, that's why you had to use mic, and I have no mic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is this here? This is another. Oh, this is like tour office, tour store. So here you will see like tour stores everywhere. They're selling different types of tours.
Package deal.
Package tours, yeah. But we always book tour ahead, like sometimes 6 months, 8 months ahead.
Yeah, because Amidon is very organized person. Yeah, he organized the tours and the treats, everything.
Yeah.
That's why I like this guy. He is
Okay.
the organizer.
Wait, you have to be careful here.
Yeah, when you're crossing.
Yeah,
And
like-
actually, the first time we were here, the first day we were here, I'm so confused with the vehicles because, unlike Canada, they are their wheel is on the right side, right?
On the right, because they drive on the left side of the street.
Yeah. So sometimes I'm looking on my
Wrong side.
wrong side
To cross the street.
to cross the street. Yeah.
Yeah.
But now I'm getting used to it.
Yeah. Now we are getting used to it. I think this one has to be another resort here.
Yeah, looks like.
Yeah.
Let's see the name of the resort.
Oh, let's see the name.
I don't see anything here. Maybe more ahead.
Called,
Oh, here.
Timber House.
Timber.
Timber House.
Okay. Yeah, there. Timber House. This is really nice walking, no?
Yeah, very nice.
You see lots of stores, restaurants, hotels,
Yep.
resorts. But right now it's not crowded because I think it's still early. But once it's dark, it will be so busy in the restaurant or bars.
Yeah, because people start to have
It's
lunch,
nightlife.
dinner, and for nightlife.
Oh, I want to show you something, the durian. Yeah, so they say that this durian smells bad but very delicious. Ouch! I poke my finger.
Oh, so they have sharp
Look.
thorn. Oh no.
So you have to be careful,
Oh no. I think you need a band-aid.
No, it's okay. So you have to be careful, guys, It's not a lot of blood, but yeah, I hurt myself. I think I underestimate the the durian.
Yeah.
It's bleeding.
I have band-aid.
No, it's okay. It's not a lot. Hot Pan Restaurant. Hot Pan. So it means hot food, right?
Yeah.
Hot Foods Restaurant. You know what? If we see best rate no fee here, we can try to change now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's finish the walk first. Up to the Onang beach.
Yeah, we have so many things to do, right?
Yeah.
I cannot believe it.
So on top there are more stores here. Most of them are actually like fast food. I mean street food restaurants.
Another restaurant there, it says 20% off.
Hello.
It says 20%
Yeah,
off.
they have
the
20%
food.
discount today.
Yeah.
Good price.
Good price, yeah, 20% off. But we're not going to eat yet.
Yeah.
And this one is King Kitchen.
Oh, there's
Yeah, King Kitchen. Let's walk here. So we can show better. There, King Kitchen. Not a lot of people yet. And this one is another 20% off. Yeah,
20% discount. Good
20%
food.
off. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a very tasty food. And then we have a tattoo shop,
And massage.
massage.
Yeah, actually massage here is everywhere too, you know.
Yeah, massage
And we
everywhere.
had massage today.
Yep.
And I video myself when the name is Loy. She was very good, you know, and I video myself, and she didn't mind when I'm filming myself with the massage, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Amedon didn't
Okay. Yeah. Go around.
Amedon didn't video himself. So he has no video of that, but I have. So okay guys, I just want to show that the people here in Thailand, they remove their slippers, okay, before they go inside the store or the massage. I mean,
Oh wait,
not
I want to see how much is facial.
where.
Actually, it doesn't say. Okay, it doesn't say facial.
What I was saying.
What did you do? Eyelash extension? You
Par-
wanted to know about eyelash
No,
extension?
no. I don't
Okay.
need eyelash.
Okay.
What I was saying
Massage.
something.
Massage.
Yeah, so not the store. I mean the massage. If you go to the massage, you have to remove your slippers
Yeah.
and go inside
Okay, step.
barefooted.
Yeah. And then we have another Italian shop.
Aonang Sunset.
Yeah.
The name of the restaurant, Aonang Sunset.
Oh, we are closed. I can't believe it.
Wow,
How come this one ended so fast?
we walk so fast, you know.
When we were going back, it felt like a long way.
No, because we're looking for the
Where it is, right?
yeah the
Yeah.
other beach. That's why it feels longer.
Yeah. So this walk felt much shorter. When we were going back, it felt like never ending. But now we're just here. So
Yeah,
we're
we're
very
so
close to
close.
the Onang Beach. And actually, we can just quickly check how much is the money exchange here.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah,
We have to do it now.
Yeah.
Because you don't know tomorrow if you have time to do it, because we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah.
And guys, we're going to Phuket tomorrow, and we will do more videos there. We are going to PP Island and Maya Island. You want to ask?
No, thank you. So I'm looking for Canadian dollar, $20 25.34. You can see.
So
It's still the one is higher. The
yeah,
one is
25,540.
25.540.
Yeah. So we have to find that
So I
one.
think we found the best one in Krabi for to exchange money, and we have separate videos on that.
Yeah. Actually the name of that currency exchange is best rate no fee.
Oh, okay.
That's where we exchange the money.
Yeah. Black Canyon Coffee Shop
Yeah, over here.
over here. Looks like this one has AC.
Yeah.
So if you don't have AC, it's difficult.
But what I noticed when it is AC, it's more expensive.
Yeah, usually it's the charge more
Yeah.
for having AC. No, I don't think we're there yet. Are you there?
Okay. Oh yeah, it's still far.
No, okay, so we are mistaken.
No, we
We're close but not there yet.
thought we're here
Yeah.
already, but no.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 minutes more.
Yeah, maybe, but still we are close.
5-10 minutes more.
Yeah.
So this is another hotel, the
Oh,
Living
yeah.
Lifestyle
The
Resort.
The L.
They call it the L.
The L.
Living Lifestyle Resort, Krabi, Thailand. Okay.
This part is more crowded, the stores. From here to the beach, I think there are more people here, always crowded.
What is that put?
think
Someone
it's
is
the-
putting. Put.
I think it's the tuk-tuk. And then there's like snail or something there.
Snail. It's not a snail.
Oh,
What is
okay.
that?
Not sure.
Oh, I think there are more street foods here.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Not yet though.
So this is alcohol shop.
Yeah, lots of liquor here.
Lots of
Oh wow, look at that. The name is Booze. Come here, I'll show you. Booze Beach Bar. Yeah. Lots of liquor in the front.
And actually found lots of fake North Face
Yeah.
and other, like, you can see North Face, Patagonia, Nike,
I think all branded
all
stuff.
Osprey,
Yeah.
all branded stuff. You can
Yeah.
find it 1/5 of the original price cost.
And actually guys, I made a video of that. I went to the store and I showed all the fake branded bags, and Rolex. Yeah, and the owner was very nice, He let me do the video there,
Yeah.
and he talked to us a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, and he is from where? Myanmar.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's from Myanmar. Do you remember his name?
No,
Okay.
I don't think we asked it.
Oh yeah, you only asked where he came, where he was
where he's
from.
from,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is very colorful restaurant. Oh,
Oh,
look
yeah.
at the chairs. Yeah, very color. I think this is Mexican. Look at the hats.
Oh, could be Mexican.
Mexican
yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Mexican restaurant?
Yeah, Mexican restaurant.
Mexican.
You looking for menu?
Not now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Huh?
So this
Very
is
nice.
Mexican
Very nice.
restaurant. Yeah.
Oh, they have ham.
All antiques maybe.
Oh, there's like Krabi t-shirt here.
Onang. Oh, this is a good.
This is a good
Oh.
t-shirt. Yeah.
Yeah, good souvenir.
Yeah. Actually wanted to buy a t-shirt, but I'm debating if I should buy or not. Because each thing you buy is just one item.
Yeah, and we are trying to be minimalist,
Yeah.
not to, you know, too much, not to put too much stuff in our luggage.
Yeah. Actually, we're traveling with only one carry-on.
Yeah.
So we have half side for me, half side for working lady.
And still, it's like feeling a lot to me.
Yeah. Oh, that's the thingy.
Oh, the marlin
The marlin, right. The marlin is here.
there by the beach. The marlin fish,
The marlin fish. That's a huge fish.
and it shows that, you know, people caught that marlin fish.
Yeah. Hello.
This is Indian restaurant.
Very nice restaurant.
Yeah, Indian.
Thai food. Oh. All right.
And there is
Thank
also on the rooftop. Actually, you can also, if you have ATM, you can use the ATM here.
Oh yeah, you can withdraw money from these tiny machines.
Yeah.
Rip curl. And we have lots of stores here. Taxi. And then we have top. Cherion. Not sure. Oh, this is like a glass store. Like a glass.
And there is a McDonald's.
Oh, this is another McDonald's.
Yeah.
We haven't been to this McDonald's, but we have been going to another McDonald's. And this, see, there's no one. Oh no, I see some people.
There are people.
But not too many. Not too crowded, like Philippines. And you have Watson Drug Store. I think they have that in Philippines too.
Yeah. Watson's. Watson store.
It looks so touristy the way we
So here actually I saw one good coffee shop, and then this is the Prince Coffee, and then there's another one right here, which is another nice coffee shop. What is it called? The Coffee.
The coffee club.
The Coffee Club. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have, if you want to come here and wait another hour or so, we can do that if we have time. And
What time is the sunset? Do you have
I'm
idea?
not sure, but maybe 5. It's 5:30 now. But oh, actually soon.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Oh, actually we're here now.
Yay! We're here now
We're
at
here.
Onang Beach.
So let's cross the street and show the beach, and that's going to be
Our end.
the end of
End
the video.
of the video.
So
Yeah.
we made it up to
End point.
yeah. So we made it up to the Onang Beach, and let's cross the street.
Let's see if the ice cream guy is there.
That's the guy. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we noticed that when they make ice cream, make
Yeah, it's here. It's here. Yeah. So he will make it.
once he makes the ice cream, he's going to put it like, you know, make it sound nice.
I think he's done. It's just.
Oh, he's done?
Yeah, I think he's done with the.
Perfect.
Yeah, he just finished it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think we missed it
Yeah.
for today.
So let's just
So
go
let's
to
go
the
to the beach.
to the beach side. Where are we going to cross?
Yeah, we have to cross here.
Okay.
so watch for.
Wait.
Wait, I think we got it.
Okay.
We got it.
We have to be really careful when
Slow down.
crossing here. The cars
Yeah.
look like they don't want to stop. Even they see people crossing, you know.
So guys, this is the Onang beach, and this is the main beach, and we're coming from Noporatikura beach, I believe. And then here the sun is going to set maybe another hour, 45 minutes. And this is in Onang Krabi, Thailand. And you can see-
Nupatara Beach.
Nupatara.
Nupatara Beach.
Yep. And those boats are loading and offloading passengers to go to the various islands, especially Railay Island. And then we have more videos coming up from this area. But for today, this video is going to end here, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.